All right, hey guys, welcome back. This is Steve with LRM. Today we're gonna talk about transmission mode, especially on your DT12 transmission. And the truck that I have right behind me is a 2019. So what happens is this truck is not programmed to have, performance mode as well as manual mode. Yes, I said it, manual mode or performance, because even though that you see the button on the side, especially for manual, that you'll be able to click it. So some of these trucks, that came from maybe a big outfit that they bought the trucks for, they only wanted it just for automatic mode, right? And it's usually economy for fuel consumption. So once you guys buy this truck, don't freak out saying, hey, manual mode doesn't work. It will, you just gotta program it. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna program this truck so it can have 3 modes, right? It's gonna stay in economy if the driver wants to make sure it's still there, because it's default to that for fuel consumption. The other one is where you click and hold down and it switches it over to manual modes. That allows you to use the shift paddles. I did a video a while back about that. And then the other one is called performance mode, right? And that's where you just click it twice and it'll actually say performance on the dash. And this just allows you to, the RPMs rev up a little higher, and it allows you to go a little bit faster when you hit the pedal. Before we get started, I want to tell you guys some great news, right? The LRM Truck Repair is open to the public. We are open in Broward County, serving Broward County now for almost a year, and now we're opening it up to you guys. So any preventive maintenance, DOTs, any heavy diagnostic that need to be done. All right, just come on down to LRM Truck Repair in Pompano Beach, Florida. Come and meet me and my crew so we can get your truck back on the road. All right, guys, so before I can show you guys how to use manual mode, performance, and economy, I gotta program the truck to actually do those functions. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I'm gonna hook up to my truck, and just so you guys know, you can't just use any software. I'm actually using the Detroit software so I can program. And then the truck has to be in the on position. And now I'm in my program. It's gonna pull up all the information of this truck. All right, so I'm finally connected to the truck with my Detroit program, and then I'm going to parameters. I'm going where it says transmission, and look, there it is. Manual mode, I'm gonna enable that. And performance mode, I'm gonna enable that. Go down here, and hit send. Truck is programmed for us to now do manual mode and performance mode. Guys, I know you don't think this is short, but that was a short video, and this is how fast it was to program this truck. Just keep in mind, you come and see me, it won't cost that much, but go somewhere else, it's gonna be over $200 something just for a program that took 3 minutes for me to program. Now that I have it programmed, I'm gonna show you the 3 functions, right? Manual mode and then performance mode. And just keep in mind that majority of the time with the trucks, it's already in eco mode. So that's just for fuel consumption. Let's hop in this cab and let me show you how to work the buttons. All right guys, so now I'm in the Freightliner. We have it properly programmed. I have the truck on, in gear, and then the parking brake released, right? As you can see, it's already starts at economy mode. So now if you want performance, right here on the end where it has, the drive, neutral, and reverse, the stock switch, just push it twice and it'll say performance, right? Now if you want it manual mode, and it tells you right here, hold down fast and switch, and it'll say manual mode. So, and then if you want it back to economy, just click it once and it'll go back to economy. So it's that easy. So now that, just keep in mind that if you do manual mode, right, you're gonna start going up. See how I'm changing the gears? So now I'm in 3rd gear, and if you wanna go down, 2nd gear, 1st gear. All right, so just keep that in mind, because sometimes what will happen is if you have an ABS light, your truck will kick out of automatic mode and it'll go to manual mode. So don't freak out. You can start using your shifter to go in gears, all right? And and pay attention to your RPM. Don't be pegging out in 20. Make sure you stay around 15, then shift. 15 and shift. And if it starts dropping below, getting towards the 10, downshift. So just keep that in mind if you're just trying to limp it to the shop because you want it back on automatic mode. 1 time for economy, 1 more time for performance, and then quick and hold. All right guys, so we talked about having your truck in 3 modes for the transmission. And remember, it's a Freightliner Cascadia. This one's a 2019 with a DT12 transmission. Most trucks are not set up where you have manual mode or performance. Doesn't mean you can switch it. Doesn't mean that you can switch it that way. You just have to go to the proper shop that has the proper software. And as you can see, it did not take long for me to program this particular truck because it didn't have it. It only had economy mode. So it was very easy, and it'll allow you to go through all the options that you can use out of your truck. So don't forget about that. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys around at the next one.